Hi, I'd like to introduce you today to our new sterilisation unit. This is 59 seconds, it's a LED steriliser. If you just open up the box, there's little compartments inside to pop your tweezers. Press the button on the top. Sterilising. I'm going to talk to you just a little bit what's that sterilising. So that will now kill 99.9% of all germs and bacteria that are on your tweezers. As you know, being a lash tech, that in between clients, if you've got your favourite set of tweezers, you want to have them cleaned quickly. I would say it's important that you wipe down your tweezers with an antibacterial wipe first and remove any sort of contaminants from there, and then pop it into the sterilising box. Once the sterilisation has finished, it will tell us. But for me personally, this has completely revolutionised my sterilising system in salon with some groundbreaking technology. The box is so small, it just sits next to my lash bed, so I've now got rid of the products that I used to sterilise my tools with. I think we're nearly done. Sterilising over. Open up. Wow. Done. You can also put your makeup brushes in there too.